What's up, YouTube? This is the Half-Ass Crew.
I'm Hackman1.
I'm Hackman2.
And today we'll show you an easy way of doing an oil change.
Before we start the oil change video, we'd like to promote a small business, Platinum Tire and Lube YYC. For pricing and information, please contact 403-363-8877. They do new tires and rim packages, oil changes, changeovers, seasonal swaps, and many other services in Calgary and surrounding areas. You guys need is a 36mm socket, oil extractor, Volkswagen Audi specified oil, 5W30 or 5W40, rags, oil filter, empty bottles or container, and a cardboard.
Make sure the oil is not hot when you come back from a drive. Let it sit for a few minutes and let it cool down.
CH10160. Every 8 to 10,000 kilometers, if you change your oil, these last. Past that, I wouldn't recommend these.
So new oil filter comes with these new ones.
You need a pick for it that we forgot to mention in our intro. You didn't tighten it too much. You don't want the housing to crack. So here's the tab for the dipstick. Just take it out because it doesn't actually have a dipstick in there.
So it keeps going?
Yeah. Till it hits the bottom.
Do I gotta keep pumping it?
Nope, that's it. That's it. So now you just wait.
What, really?
Yeah, you just wait and watch.